Welcome to another Truck and Tim video.
Whoa, no, wrong channel. Oh. This is a more Power Tim video.
Welcome to a new Mr. Power video. Today I get joined by Tim.
Hiya, how's it going everybody? Yeah.
Well, today it's time for one of my videos again. You already know this bit. That will come on my head for a little POV.
Come on, let's get it on.
Oh no. Well, yeah, that's it.
Super dick.
This is super dick, yeah. Well, today we got this truck. You might notice from just everywhere.
Everywhere.
On your channel, yeah. Well, it's a R500 Euro 5, I suppose.
That's correct. It has been tuned.
Okay,
but
yes.
we don't know what to because it's not been on a rolling road yet.
Around 6, maybe?
Around 600. Yeah.
600. Okay, yeah. So you might notice there's similar colors to mine. Of course, it's a V8, yeah. Cool number plate. I like that.
It's a very good plate.
I like that. Yeah.
Don't go down too low, Tim.
Well, I will eventually. We're gonna do a little sound check on this one.
Oh.
It's a V8, of course, and it does sound good. Can you give it some?
Oh, yeah.
Can you give it some? Yeah.
Here we go. I assume you can hear this with the mic on.
Yeah, gonna be a good video. We'll be joined with my cameraman today. So Tim is gonna relax a bit.
Is he going with you?
Yes, he's going with me.
That's fine.
Oh, you want to go with us as
No,
well?
I'll wait here.
Oh, you wait here?
Yeah, I don't want to know what happens.
Well, I won't come back then, so...
No, please come back.
I will. You have to catch the boat anyway.
Yeah.
Well, let's go for a ride.
Send it, Tim.
Send it. We'll see you inside. So, welcome, buddy.
Welcome.
In Truck and Timmy's pride.
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna take a little spin around the industrial estate in the R500, isn't it?
Insane.
Insane interior with the YouTube play button up there.
Oh.
Can you see that? Can you confirm me for that, please, on the phone?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful, isn't it? You can see it up there with the big V8 lit up birds over there and the Truck and Tim logo on the back and the amazing dash. So we put it into gear, release the handbrake, and then we say goodbye to Timothy. Yeah, let's go. Put it in manual.
Let's enjoy some reps.
Yes, let's enjoy some reps. Yeah, that's it, mate. It does sound good, isn't it?
Just right.
Yeah.
Not too much, not too little.
Yeah, a really big thank you to you, Tim, for letting me do this. It's a little bit different to get used to because I'm on the right side now. Some good cracks on this truck, to be fair. Yeah, we're driving in Harderwijk again, in the industrial estate. We like it over here. You can just make circle after circle here. Drop a gear. Well, with these kind of trucks, the automatic transmissions, you can just select if you want to shift manually or automatically. I prefer to do it manually because then I can decide the revs by myself. So this is how it looks like automatically. Still does sound good though, but the revs build up quite slowly and then it shifts by themselves.
That's free.
Yeah, all good. Some lovely weather today on a little Sunday cruise, isn't it, mate?
It's insane. Beautiful day.
Yeah, beautiful day. Absolutely love it. Some spotters over there. Shout out to you guys, but it's not Trucker Tim this time. It's Mr. Power. Man, the roundabouts are getting used to now on the right side.
Yeah, guys again. Big lads.
There's some torque in it. Tim told me it's around 600 horsepower or something. Originally, genuine from Scania, it's around 500 because it's an R500. Drop down some gears again. Really good, yeah. Well, I can tell, Tim, you're a proud owner of this truck. I hope you can hear the exhaust sounds properly, because it's on the left side and I'm on the right side. Against the buildings, it's mental, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Drop a gear because it sounds nice. Some nice scenery here with some water. So let's get back on the main road. See you. They're free?
Yeah.
All right, bud. Thank you. Ah, the retarder works as well. Tim's still checking out,
yeah.
Just relaxing in the car. Lovely, isn't it? I love making circles in industrial estates, but I think you can see why, because all the sounds against the buildings and everything. That was a good one.
Absolutely amazing.
nice car over there.
Really nice conversion.
Well, he appreciated it. Thumbs up from Tim. Well, should we do one more lap and then finish up the video? Yeah, we'll do one more spin down here. Well, it does sound good when you double press it as well. So you just don't shift it up one side upon a time, but two at the same time. Here, look. Then it sounds like this. A little more the higher shifts, the higher gears, I mean, sorry. That's what I mean with speaking English for me. It's always kind of difficult. Some words I just don't know. This is what I mean. Double tap. That's lovely as well. I like that. Yeah, we go to the right here and then left again, park up the truck, and then we do some more photo shoots of the truck because we still need to go do some cool photos of this truck with the new rear bumper. But first, if this video doesn't deserve a like, guys, I don't know what video does, but I like this. Please subscribe to the channel to never miss out on these kind of videos. Such a cool truck to drive.
It's an honor.
It's an honor, yeah, to be honest, yeah. To drive a truck like this. I know Trim is a very good friend of the channel, very good friend of mine, so I appreciate it, but just to drive this truck, it's just amazing. All for you guys on the channel, so please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. We'll give some more blips. And then we'll wrap up the video. Oh, there it is, the nice one. I'll let him go on first. Oh, look.
Oh.
He likes a bit of content, don't you think? Well, here we go, guys. I see you on the next video. Big thumbs up on this video, guys. And please leave a comment down below if you agree with Tim, if I need to speak English all the time. See you on the next one. Bye bye.